Hello and welcome back everyone at Clear Queries. Welcome back to our question answer series. Without further delay, let us start. As usual, we will understand the problem statement, solution implementation, expected final output, post implementation, followed by the summary of what we have learned in this video. So our today's problem statement is: how can we enable table maintenance like SM30 with dedicated Fiori application using ABAP Cloud in low-code fashion? In order for us to achieve this, let us take an example of database table for question master. Right-click on the database table and open Generate ABAP repository objects. Here we will go with ABAP Wrap OData UI option. It will enable us creating Fiori application for table maintenance. Let us move further. As you can see, in order for us to proceed, we will need few important properties in database table like last change at and local instance last change at. Let us add required columns in database table. Activate the database table and try generating ABAP repository objects again. Select the right package. Select the right package and validate the objects being generated. Like business object, data model, behavior artifacts, service definition, and binding. You can click on individual artifacts and check the preview of code being generated. Select the transport request. Activate the service binding. You can also change the artifacts generated as per the need. For example, let us give alias to the entity expose. Finally, publish the service binding. Service is published now. Let us preview the generated application. As we can see, very nice list report with the filters app generated. Let us try creating entry in table by clicking on create. Enter the details for the input fields like question, question category, etc. Save the record. The record the record got saved. Awesome. Is it? Let us summarize what we have learned till now. How to effectively use Rep generator to enable master data maintenance like SM30 in ABAP Cloud. In order for us to achieve this, we have to follow following steps. Create database table with the required properties and administrative fields. Use ABAP repository generator, validate objects getting generated, publish the object, and that should be all. Thank you for listening. Please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more.